You seen the title in the thumbnail. Let me ask you a question. What's just as good as spicy garlic parmesan wings? And I'll tell you right now, spicy garlic parmesan skewers. Man, you gonna love this one. Get in your kitchen, let's go. All right, let's go ahead and get started. I'm really excited about this recipe. So back here we have our boneless chicken breasts. Now I cut them into like 1 inch, I guess these are 1 inch pieces, but you can definitely cut them as big as you want. It's totally up to you, and you can also use chicken thighs. That is totally up to you also. Now right here is the star of the show. All I did right here was I roasted some garlic and I put it in some sriracha chili oil. And the reason I use sriracha chili oil instead of just plain olive oil is because we're making spicy garlic parmesan. Now Chili Pepper Cook did his with just regular garlic cloves and olive oil, but y'all know me, I like to kick it up a notch. So I use this spicy sriracha oil right here. So I'll leave a link to this in the video description so you guys can check it out. All I did was I took a safe baking dish, put about maybe 8 or 9 garlic cloves in there, covered it up with some olive oil, let it cook on 250 for 2 hours. I know, so you gotta prepare it for 2 hours. That's what Chili Pepper Cook said, so we gonna do that, all right? Right here we have Parmesan cheese, some taco seasoning, half a stick of butter, lime juice, fresh chopped cilantro. Now he used lemon pepper seasoning, but I'm gonna use garlic pepper seasoning since we're making garlic parmesan. Kind of want to stay in alignment with that. Not saying the lemon pepper wouldn't work, because I'm sure it will. I love me some lemon pepper. Right here we have some more olive oil. And right here we're using hot honey. Now if you don't have hot honey, this is the hot honey brand that I'm using. I'll leave a link to it in the video description below. Now if you don't have hot honey, just use regular honey, but add a teaspoon of sriracha sauce because you want that kick. That's if you're making a spicy garlic parmesan. Right here we have more grated Parmesan cheese. We're gonna use some chili flakes for garnishment and also some salt and pepper. So these are the ingredients. Let's get to it. So to get started, we're gonna add some olive oil here to our chicken. We're just gonna use that as a binder. Add that salt and pepper, our garlic pepper seasoning, taco seasoning, and he said as much Parmesan as your heart desires. And we're gonna put a lot of Parmesan in that, baby. And we're just gonna get at a good mix. All right. Now we're gonna let these marinate for about 3 hours. That's what Chili Pepper Cook said. Come on, bruh, for skewers, 3 hours? But hey, I trust my man Chili Pepper Cooks. We're gonna do it for 3 hours exactly like he said. So we'll be right back in 3 hours. Cover them babies, let them marinate, all right? So we're about 3 hours in, just like Chili Pepper Cook said. So now we're gonna start building our skewers. Let me say that right, skewers. You know I'm from Alabama, y'all understand my education system, all right? Now I'm gonna use 5 skewers, and I cut them, not in half, but just big enough to fit into my air fryer, because I'm gonna use my Dreo today. Someone told me, hey man, you still use your Dreo? I said, yeah man, I use my Dreo. So we're gonna start sticking these babies on here. And guys, take a look at what we have right there. So I'm just gonna sit these right here on our cutting board until we finish them all, and we're gonna come right back. All right, so we've completed our kebabs. Now we're gonna head over to our Dreo air fryer, and we're gonna get it preheated so we can get these babies inside, all right? All right, so I preheated our Dreo air fryer. Guys, this is a smart air fryer. Man, listen, I'm gonna leave a link to this in the video description below. You're gonna love this air fryer. You can control it through your app on your phone. I did a video promoting this particular air fryer. It's the honey mustard chicken breast. Go check it out, man. It tells you all about the features of this baby, but check out the link in the video description. So I've already preheated it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start adding our skewers in here. Oh yeah, this fits perfectly. That's what I want. Just a little bit of space in between it. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and push this in. I did spray it with a little cooking spray. Now we're going to set this to air fry, 425 degrees for 20 minutes, and we're gonna hit play or start. We're gonna come right back. All right guys, so we're gonna go ahead and pause this real quick. We're at the midway point. I'm gonna pull this out. Man, look at these babies here, man. We're gonna flip these babies over. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and let them finish for the last 10 minutes. While they're finishing, we're gonna move over to our stove and we're gonna start preparing our garlic Parmesan sauce. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna melt a half a stick of butter. And once your butter has completely melted, turn your fire off. Add your garlic parmesan, your cilantro, lemon juice, your hot honey, and a pinch of chili flakes. And we're just gonna get that mixed up like this. All right, since our skewers are done, I'm gonna take some of that juice that was in there in our air fryer. We're gonna add that in there to boost up that flavor. Also, we're gonna take our garlic, gonna add it in here like that. And we're gonna start smashing that in like this. All right, we got that mixed pretty well. Let's head over to our cutting board to brush some of this good Parmesan sauce on our skewers, all right? And there you have it, guys. Spicy garlic Parmesan skewers. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Let's jump into quality control, because these look delicious. Yep, it's quality control time. We're finna bring this spicy garlic Parmesan chicken skewer to the front of the congregation. Guys, look at that. Oh man, oh man. Hey, let's go ahead and check this baby out. Oh, oh man. Wow, look at that. Oh, butter. Man, this is some serious here. Shout out to Chili Pepper Cook for blessing us with these good groceries right here. Go check him out on YouTube. He really big on Instagram. Check him out on there. So guys, until then, I'm your cook, Spinetti. This is All Wings Everything. And remember, whew, not a chef. I just cook a lot, and now I'm out. I can't stop looking at this thing. This baby good. Peace. Oh man.